So in this Bet365 tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to place an NHL James Norris Memorial Trophy winner futures bet or an NHL Defenseman of the Year futures bet here on the Bet365 application. So once you have the Bet365 app open up on your device, go to the home screen, go to the top left hand side of your screen and press on the NHL icon. Then once you're here, I want you to slide this top bar all the way to the right till you see futures right here. So for me, it's the furthest option on the right. Press on futures at the top right. Then press on where it says to win outright. Press on that. Then go to where it says regular season awards. Simply scroll up a little bit and press on that. And what we want to do is place a wager or a futures bet on the James Norris Memorial Trophy. So slide down. We don't want the Calder or the Rookie of the Year. We don't want the Hart Trophy or the MVP. We also don't want the Coach of the Year or the Jack Adams Award either. So keep scrolling down to where it says the James Norris Memorial Trophy. So you can go ahead and place, let's just say, for example, we wanted to place a futures bet on Cale Makar. We'll go ahead and do that. Press on Cale Makar, go to set wager in the bottom left, and then place bet on the bottom right-hand side of your screen. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can place an NHL James Norris Memorial Trophy winner futures bet or an NHL Defenseman of the Year futures bet here on Bet365. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.